When you see a message that your car key fob battery is low, you don't really need to take it to a mechanic or a dealer to change the battery. You can do it yourself. Just press the sides of the key towards the top, pull the key out of it. You will see the key fob only now. What you do is you press the sides of the battery case, keeping the key fob on your one hand, and press the sides to pull it apart from the key fob, and with a slight pressure it will come out. Our battery is actually CR2032. You can get it in Amazon. Ensure that when you place the battery, the plus symbol is facing the bottom of the battery case. Hear the click when you push it back. Put the car key in the slot and you are good to go. Actually, when you look at it, it's actually a small wedge on the key fob that really holds the case within, that it doesn't come out just by the pull. So all you need to know is that you need to press the side a little harder and pull it out so that it gets out of the way. It's that simple and you're good to go.